So yeah, I'm about to glue my handles. I'm going to try Tim's method. This is a method is different to how I did my Spyderco Woodcraft Mule. What I'm doing a bit differently to Tim though is that when I shaped the front of these, I actually drilled a hole there. I had my stencil here and I drilled a hole that corresponds to my front hole on here, and that's going to be a locating hole so that I get the front of my handle scales will be in exactly the same spot once it all goes together, so that should work out quite alright. I'm just going to mix up a very small amount of epoxy in here and yeah, glue one side, wait for it to set, and then I'll glue the other side tomorrow, and then come Wednesday I guess be into final shaping and sanding. Hey guys, this is Emir. Got to cut these pins off. It's all glued up now. Start rasping away most of the excess of this timber, and then we'll get in with the smaller files and the sandpaper and we'll get this finished. Got my blade protected so I don't damage it at all during the process, and I'll probably take a little bit of footage along the way, and yeah, well, this will be finished very shortly. See ya. Hey guys, got some really bad news. I had one of my liners was pulling away when I was using the rasp. My rasp and the files were just really pulling on this liner, and I stood the chance of separating it a lot from the timber, and at this point in time that just would have been devastating, considering that today's the 29th. So I've had to go for the power tool option, guys. The only safe way to remove this material without pulling these liners off and totally stuffing the knife up was to remove the material in this direction quickly and finally with a power tool. So anyway, I'm going to push on. I'll bring this over and we'll start doing some shaping by hand, but in the interest of keeping everything fair, I wanted to disclose that. So catch us later. Yeah, so that's it about finished there, guys. I'll I'll do a proper vid really shortly with some stuff to really show it, but that's pretty much the build process finished.